Welcome to our pH Lab video. I'm Cam and I'll be your narrator. The goal of this lab is to simply practice using a pH meter to measure pH of some common solutions. Before we start, we need to cover some information about buffer solutions. We have two buffer solutions of known pH, which we will use to calibrate the device. One has a pH of 7, and the other will have a pH of either 4 to measure acids or 10 for bases. Here, I am demonstrating the first step in calibrating the pH meter. I start by opening a new file, then pressing the Calibrate button. I take the electrode out and wash it off with distilled water before putting it in the pH 7 buffer solution. When the voltage stabilized, I input and saved the pH value, then transferred it to Saleh for the second buffer. Once again, the electrode is washed with distilled water. Then it is placed in the pH 4 buffer, since we will be measuring acids first. He inputs and saves the value and selects OK. Now that we have calibrated the meter, we can measure our solutions. All I have to do now is wash the electrode and place it in our beaker of apple juice. After recording the pH of the apple juice, Shiv washes the electrode and measures a beaker of orange juice. When finished, the electrode is washed one last time and returned to its bottle. Here are the results of all the solutions we measured. Now for some information on strong versus weak acids and bases. Strong acids and bases will completely dissociate into ions when put into water. Weak acids and bases only partially dissociate, so the solution enters an equilibrium of products and reactants. To minimize the equilibrium effect of weak acids and bases, you can change the temperature of the solution, which will change the value of the equilibrium constant. And that wraps up the pH Lab video. Thanks for watching.